Hello students, in today's session we will learn about electrode potential. This is second part of electrochemistry. Earlier I have posted the video on construction of galvanic cell. So to understand what is electrode potential, we have to understand first what happens when a metal is dipped in the solution of its own salt. So what happens when a metal rod is dipped in electrolyte or solution of its own salt. Let us take an example. Suppose you have a container, you have a metal rod here. Suppose you have taken zinc rod here and you have taken a zinc sulfate solution. So it is dipped in the solution of its own electrolyte. What happens? There are two possibilities here. Two possibilities are there. Whenever any metal is dipped in the solution of its own electrolyte, the metal may undergo oxidation. That is, first case is oxidation occurs. Clear? So what happens if zinc undergoes oxidation? The zinc atoms that are present here, they will come into the solution in the form of Zn2 plus ion. After some time, now since oxidation is taking place, Zn will change to Zn2 plus and 2 electrons. These 2 electrons come over this rod and the zinc ions come into the solution. So the concentration of the zinc ions in the solution will increase and electrons are being produced on the rod. Due to the production of electrons, since electrons are being formed here and zinc ions are formed here in the solution, the concentration of Zn2 plus ion is increasing in the solution. जैसे जैसे ये इंक्रीज होगी, the solution will acquire positive charge. So solution will have positive charge, and since electrons are being produced here, the rod will have negative charge. Clear? So if oxidation is taking place, what will happen? Electrons will provide negative charge to the rod and the solution will acquire positive charge. So there is a separation of charge. Again, let us consider another case in which you have the same rod zinc and the solution zinc ion solution. Now if the reduction is taking place, so second possibility is if reduction is taking place, what will happen? Zn2 plus ions that are present in the solution, zinc sulfate is there, Zn2 plus ions होंगे यहाँ पर. If Zn2 plus ions are undergoing reduction, they will take electrons from the rod, they will get reduced to zinc. तो क्या होगा? जिंक आयंस की कंसंट्रेशन क्या होगी? सॉल्यूशन में कम हो जाएगी. देयर कंसंट्रेशन विल डिक्रीज. सिंस देयर कंसंट्रेशन विल डिक्रीज, it will acquire positive charge, the solution will acquire positive charge and electrons यहाँ से consume हो रहे हैं. From where these zinc ions are taking electrons? From the rod. तो zinc ion से electron ले रहा है, so it will acquire positive charge. Again there is a separation of charges, and we have learned that whenever there is a separation of charge, a potential difference is created between the electrode and the electrolyte, and this potential difference which is created between the electrode and the electrolyte is known as electrode potential. So I hope this is clear what is electrode potential. When you dip a metal rod in a solution of its own salt, either oxidation will occur or reduction will occur. If oxidation is taking place, electrons are being produced on the rod, it will acquire negative polarity and the solution will acquire positive charge because the concentration of positive ions is increasing in it. So there will be a separation of charge. In case reduction is taking place, the zinc ions will get reduced, their concentration will decrease here, so it will acquire a negative charge, and since the electrons are being consumed here, on the rod, it will acquire positive charge. So there is again a separation of charge. And whenever there is a separation of charge, whenever there is separation of charge, a potential difference is created. Potential difference is created, and this potential difference, the potential difference between the electrode and the electrolyte is called electrode potential. This electrode potential is represented by capital E. It is represented by capital E. Clear? इलेक्ट्रॉड पोटेंशियल इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. एक होगा ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल, दूसरा होगा रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. नाउ द beaker in which the oxidation is taking place, the potential difference will be known as oxidation potential. It will be written as EOX. The container in which reduction is taking place, there the potential difference which is created between the electrode and the electrolyte is known as reduction potential, represented by ERED. Now we have just learned what is electrode potential. It is a potential difference between the electrode and the electrolyte. What is its significance? It gives a measure of tendency of the electrode to undergo oxidation or reduction, कि उसका oxidation होगा या reduction होगा, or how easily it can lose or gain electrons. That measure is given by its electrode potential. So it gives a measure of the tendency of the electrode or the species to undergo oxidation or reduction. Electrode potential is of two types: oxidation potential and reduction potential. If oxidation is taking place, then the potential difference is known as oxidation potential. If reduction is taking place, it is known as reduction potential. Oxidation potential gives a measure of the ability of species to undergo oxidation. कितना इजीली उसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा, that tendency is given by oxidation potential. Reduction potential gives a tendency to get reduced. Tendency of species to get reduced, उसकी कितनी tendency है reduce होने की, that is given by its reduction potential. Get reduced. Clear? Oxidation potential is represented by EOX, or it is represented by ऑक्सीडेशन में क्या होता है, मेटल चेंज हो रहा है मेटल आयन में, सो M सिंगल वर्टिकल लाइन Mn प्लस. In this way it is represented. Reduction potential is represented by ERED red, or it is represented by E metal ions get reduced to metal, so they are separated by a single vertical line. So oxidation potential is represented by EOX, or this M changing to Mn plus. It is represented by E red, or Mn plus changing to M. This one vertical line जो यूज़ करते हैं to separate the species in different phases. ये solid में है और ये aqueous में है, उसे separate करने के लिए हम single vertical line यूज़ करते हैं. Now if the oxidation potential is highly positive, अगर highly positive होगी means the species or the metal will have more tendency to get reduced, will have higher tendency to get oxidized, will have higher tendency to get oxidized. तो जितना ज़्यादा उसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल होगा उतनी ज़्यादा उसमें टेंडेंसी होगी ऑक्सीडाइज होने की. इफ़ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज़ हाईली पॉजिटिव, अगर ये हाईली पॉजिटिव है that means it has higher tendency to get reduced. क्लियर. तो अगर उसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है, उसमें हाई टेंडेंसी होगी ऑक्सीडाइज होने की. इफ़ इट इज़ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हाई, इफ इट विल हैव हायर टेंडेंसी टू गेट रिड्यूस्ड. सो इफ़ ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है, उसकी टेंडेंसी हाई होगी ऑक्सीडाइज होने की, मीन्स इट विल एक्ट एज अ एनोड, क्योंकि एनोड पे क्या होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. सो इट विल बिहेव एज अ एनोड, बिहेव एज एनोड. If reduction potential is high, it will behave as cathode. Now अगर वो एनोड की तरह बिहेव करेगा, then it will act as a strong oxidizing agent or reducing agent. अगर वो खुद ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, मीन्स उसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है, इट विल हैव हाई टेंडेंसी टू गेट ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, मीन्स इट विल रिड्यूस अदर. सो इट विल हैव हाई रिड्यूसिंग पावर, high reducing power or high reducing tendency. If the reduction potential is high, means it has high tendency to get reduced and it will have higher oxidizing power or it will be a good oxidizing agent. ठीक है, तो वो एक अच्छा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होगा. अगर उसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है, वो अच्छा रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होगा. सो दिस कंसेप्ट मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू कि अगर उसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है, मीन्स इट हैज़ हाई टेंडेंसी टू गेट ऑक्सीडाइज. अगर वो टेंडेंसी हाई है ऑक्सीडाइज होने की, इट विल बिहेव एज ए एनोड एंड इट विल हैव हायर रिड्यूसिंग पावर, मीन्स इट विल बिहेव एज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. If the reduction potential is high, it will have high tendency to get reduced, means it will behave as a cathode and it will have high tendency to oxidize others, means it will behave as a good oxidizing agent. तो high oxidizing power होगी and it will behave as a oxidizing agent. Now under standard conditions, what are the standard conditions? If there is a gas, its pressure must be 1 atmosphere, concentration is equal to 1 molar, and temperature at any temperature, but generally room temperature is taken 298 Kelvin. If these are the conditions, then oxidation potential is known as standard oxidation potential, उसे बोलते हैं SOP. reduction potential को बोलते हैं standard reduction potential SRP. Clear? And it is represented by E naught. Symbol is E naught. अगर नॉट साइन है, दैट मीन्स द कंडीशंस आर स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशंस. तो ये हो जाएगा E naught ऑक्सीडेशन एंड इट विल बी नोन एज E naught रिडक्शन. क्लियर? So we will define another term here, standard electrode potential. What is standard electrode potential? Potential difference between the electrode and the electrolyte, between electrode and electrolyte under standard conditions. Electrolyte under standard conditions. Standard conditions are 1 atmospheric pressure, temperature 298 Kelvin and concentration 1 molar concentration. अगर ये concentration है 1 molar concentration है, 298 Kelvin temperature है, so it is known as standard reduction potential represented by E naught, and it is of two types, SRP standard reduction potential or SOP standard oxidation potential. It is represented by E oxidation or E naught, M changing to Mn2 plus Mn plus. SRP is represented by E naught reduction or E naught Mn plus. N plus is a change in electrons here, changing to M. So this is a standard electrode potential, the another important term that we will be using in this chapter. Another important feature of electrode potential is that it is an intensive property. Intensive property, what do you mean by intensive property? Intensive property means which is independent of mass. मास पे डिपेंड नहीं करेगी, ये नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पे डिपेंड नहीं करेगी, इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ मास और नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू सपोज टेक दिस रिएक्शन Zn चेंजिंग टू Zn2 plus 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Clear? Suppose the E naught value is plus 0.76 volt. Clear? If you are multiplying this equation by 2 Zn2 plus 4 electron, and you are writing the oxidation potential here, you have taken oxidation potential here. Now the oxidation potential will remain same. Why? Because it is an intensive property. इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब है कि इक्वेशन को कितने भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, आइदर यू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय एनी नंबर और यू डिवाइड इट बाय एनी नंबर, द वैल्यू विल नॉट चेंज. So it is an intensive property independent of the number of particles or the number you have taken to multiply the equation, it will remain the same. Another important feature is, if you have taken this reaction Zn changing to Zn2 plus 2 electron, suppose the E naught oxidation is Zn changing to Zn2 plus is plus 0.76 volt. If you reverse this reaction, reverse करेंगे तो क्या होगा, रिडक्शन होगा. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन. क्लियर? यहाँ पे हो रहा है रिडक्शन. इफ़ यू रिवर्स दिस रिएक्शन यू विल गेट दिस रिएक्शन. नाउ इन केस यू वांट टू राइट द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल Zn2 प्लस चेंजिंग टू जिंक, यहाँ पे रिडक्शन हो रहा है. In this case the value will remain same, the magnitude will remain same, but the sign will get reversed, so it will become 0.76 volt. So what is the relation between the oxidation potential and the reduction potential? Oxidation potential is equal to minus reduction potential, or under standard condition SOP is equal to minus SRP. So this is the important relation you have to remember, that if you are reversing the reaction or the oxidation potential and the reduction potential for the same reaction, the magnitude is same but the sign will get reversed. So if it is reduction potential is minus 0.76, oxidation potential will be plus 0.76 volt. This is another important relation you have to remember in this chapter. So what we have learned in this session, we have learned that higher the value of SOP or lower the value of SRP, greater is the tendency to get oxidized. So it is directly proportional to the tendency to get oxidized, means species will easily get oxidized, and if it is easily getting oxidized it will behave as anode. Tendency to get oxidized means it will be a strong reducing agent. अपने आप oxidize होगा तो दूसरों को reduce करेगा, and it will be a strong oxidizing agent. Lower the value of SOP or higher the value of SRP. अगर SRP की वैल्यू हाई है, SRP मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हाई है, तो उसमें टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा होगी रिड्यूस होने की, टेंडेंसी टू गेट रिड्यूस्ड इजीली, एंड इफ इट हैज़ हायर टेंडेंसी टू गेट रिड्यूस्ड इजीली it will behave as a strong oxidizing agent, and this rod will act, or this metal will act as cathode. So this whole concept is very important for the electrochemistry chapter. You must be able to identify which will act as anode, which will act as a cathode, which is a strong oxidizing agent, which is a strong reducing agent. Let us discuss one question based on this. 3 species are given to you. Their reduction potentials are given. These are the reduction potentials. Now identify कैसे करेंगे कि oxidation potential है या reduction potential है. If the oxidation number is increasing, that means it is oxidation potential is given to you. If oxidation number is decreasing, means reduction potential is given to you. That means suppose you are given E naught Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, 2 प्लस से 3 प्लस चेंज हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स देयर इज इंक्रीज इन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. जब भी इंक्रीज होगा इट विल बी द oxidation potential, that is this process is for oxidation, and this value is of oxidation potential. Similarly, if you are given F माइनस टू F2 हाफ F2, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, -1 से कितना हो रहा है, 0 हो रहा है. तो -1 से 0 मीन्स अगेन इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. तो जब इंक्रीज होगा, सपोज -2 -1 0 +1 +2, अगर इधर की तरफ मूव हो रहा है -2 to 0 और -1 to +1, इफ इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग दैट मीन्स द ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल इज गिवन टू यू. अगर डिक्रीज हो रहा है then that means reduction potential. Example, if you are given SN4 plus 2SN2 plus, it means that tin has gained 2 electron and it has undergone reduction. तो ये reduction potential की value होगी. If the oxidation number is decreasing, that means reduction potential is given to you. So I hope this is clear. Now coming to the question, these are the reduction potentials given. 2 प्लस से 0, 2 प्लस से 0 डिक्रीज हो रहा है सब में, तो ये रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल्स की वैल्यू गिवन है. यू आर गिवन द वैल्यूज ऑफ दिस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट इज बेटर कैथोड. तो बेटर कैथोड कौन बिहेव करेगा? एट कैथोड द रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, सो विच हैज़ द हाइएस्ट रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल दैट विल एक्ट एज ए बेटर कैथोड. तो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल किसका हाइएस्ट है? जेड का. बेटर कैथोड इज जेड. बेटर एनोड, एनोड पे क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस. ऑक्सीडेशन के लिए क्या देखेंगे? हायर ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल जिसका हाई होगा, या फिर रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल मिनिमम होगा. क्लियर? ऑक्सीडेशन होता है एनोड पे. ऑक्सीडेशन के लिए देखते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है और रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल लो है. तो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल लोएस्ट किस केस में है? वाई में. दिस इज -0.25, दिस इज -0.76. इट इज़ लोअर वैल्यू देन एक्स. तो बेटर एनोड कौन होगा? वाई. क्लियर? गुड रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट वो होगा जो ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, मीन्स विच विल एक्ट एज ए बेटर एनोड, तो वाई हो जाएगा. गुड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट मीन्स दूसरे को ऑक्सीडाइज कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स इट सेल्फ गेट रिड्यूस्ड, खुद रिड्यूस हो रहा है. और खुद रिड्यूस कौन सा होगा? जिसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हाई होगा, दैट मीन्स जेड. क्लियर? Least oxidation potential. Now these are the reduction potential values. I have told you oxidation potential में क्या होता है? The numerical value is same, साइन इनवर्स हो जाएगा. तो अगर इनका रिडक्शन ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल लिखोगे, इट विल बी 0.25, इट विल बी 0.76 और ये हो जाएगा -0.34. सो विच हैज़ द लीस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल? लीस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल मीन्स जिसमें सबसे कम टेंडेंसी है ऑक्सीडाइज होने की, मीन्स रिड्यूस होने की टेंडेंसी सबसे ज़्यादा है, दैट मीन्स जेड. मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल मीन्स मैक्सिमम टेंडेंसी टू गेट ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, मीन्स जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई है. तो हाईएस्ट किसका है? वाई का. The maximum oxidation potential is of Y. So you must be able to identify which will act as a better cathode, anode, which is a good oxidizing agent, good reducing agent, and many questions are asked based on this type of topic. So I hope you have understood the concept. Please do share, subscribe it if you like the video. Thank you.